Guy in Marietta submitted a question, says he has big decisions to make. Should he make improvements before selling or skip it altogether? We are hoping to sell quickly. And I would love to tell you that, hey, there are rules of the road when it comes to whether or not you should make cosmetic improvements to your home. Now, let's talk about the reason that anybody should even consider making cosmetic improvements to their home. Remember that when a buyer prospect tours your home, previews your home, comes through with an agent, that they are mentally comparing your home to all of the other homes that they see. So if you live in a particular high school district and you have a house that is priced between $450,000 and $550,000, the odds are your home is not the only home that buyer is going to tour or preview in that school district in that price range. My guess would be that provided the exterior of the home meets their desirability scale, provided the home has all of the different criteria and features that the buyer needs, my guess is that the buyer would look at all of them. So understanding the pros and cons of home improvement before a sale is really essential for homeowners. One of the most compelling reasons to upgrade your home before selling is the potential for increased property value so you can make more money. You would never want to spend $1 getting your home ready for sale and just get $1 back. You'd want to spend $1 and get $2 back or $3 back. Can you do that? Painting a front door, increasing the curb appeal, increasing the appeal of the home from the curb, from the street. How does that home look? What is that experience? Are these things worthwhile when it comes to enhancing the value of the property? And the answer is yes. Some of the things that you probably should focus on first would be the cosmetic, the colors, the aesthetics of a home. In some cases, the kitchens, or in most cases, the kitchens and the master or the primary bedroom and bathroom, those are the major driving points. I'm not saying people who buy homes don't care about where their kids have to live. I'm just saying if you want somebody to want your home big time, make sure the kitchen is desirable and the master bath is desirable. Simple enhancements such as a fresh coat of paint on the outside, landscaping improvements, updating exterior fixtures can make a substantial difference. Homes requiring less work attract buyers eager to settle in without added time, effort, and expense of making significant changes. And in today's world, sometimes buyers just do not have the wherewithal to bring the money to the table they need to in order to make those improvements. So my suggestion for you, Guy, is you need to have somebody that presents all of the options to you. Here's what you could sell it for an all-cash buyer, do nothing. Here's what you could sell it for just exactly like it is, not to an all-cash buyer, not just do nothing, but do a market sale. Here's the amount of money you could invest in your home that would ultimately influence the sales price in a positive way. We have what's called a rehab and refresh program, so we can even front you up to $15,000 to make those repairs to your home. Or does it make sense to go buy your home and then move out of your existing home and sell it? Because in some cases, homes that are empty and staged sell for more than homes that have all of your furniture in them. So, Guy, my answer to your question is it depends, and you should know all of the facts and all of your different options before you make that decision.